What if I told you that you're losing almost $800 every single month, and you don't even know it's happening? It's not your rent, it's not your car payment, it's not even those late-night DoorDash orders. These are invisible expenses. They're designed to fly under your radar. And in 2026, they're more dangerous than ever because they've gotten smarter, sneakier, and way more expensive. I'm about to expose the 4 biggest stealth expenses that are quietly draining your paycheck right now. And here's the kicker. Most Americans have no idea they're paying for them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where your money is going and how to plug these leaks before they cost you thousands this year. Let's dive in.
All right, number 1, subscription creep. Here's a scary stat. The average American is now paying for 4.7 streaming services in 2026. That's Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Max, Paramount+, you get the idea. But here's what nobody's talking about. It's not just streaming anymore. You've got your fitness app, $15 a month. Your meditation app, $13. That new subscription you signed up for during the election, $10. Your cloud storage because your phone is full, $3. That productivity tool you used once, $12. Oh, and let's not forget the free trial you forgot to cancel. Yeah, that one's been charging you for 7 months. Add it all up, the average person is spending $274 per month on subscriptions in 2026. That's $3,288 a year. But here's the invisible part. You're not buying these all at once. They trickle in. $10 here, $15 there. Your brain doesn't register it as a major expense, but your bank account sure does. Here's what you do today. Open your banking app right now. Go to your subscriptions tab. Most banks have this feature in 2026. You're going to find at least 3 subscriptions you forgot existed. Cancel them. That's $30 to $50 back in your pocket every single month. Set a calendar reminder for the first of every month. Subscription audit. 5 minutes. That's all it takes.
Number 2, the convenience tax. 2026 is the year we pay extra for everything to come to us. And companies know it. Let me paint a picture. You order groceries through Instacart. There's a $6 delivery fee, a $4 service fee, a 15% markup on every item, plus you tip the driver $8. That $50 grocery run just cost you $73. But it gets worse. Same-day delivery, express shipping, priority processing, premium support. Every single one of these is a convenience tax, and in 2026, they're everywhere. Food delivery apps, the average order has $12 to $15 in hidden fees and markups. That $15 burger actually costs you $28 after fees, taxes, and tip. Amazon Prime is $179 a year now, but then you're still paying $4.99 for faster shipping on top of that for certain items. Here's the math. If you order delivery food twice a week and groceries once a week, you're spending an extra $200 plus per month just on convenience fees. That's $2,400 a year. The fix? Batch your tasks. Pick 1 day a week to get groceries in person. Meal prep on Sundays so you're not panic ordering dinner at 8 p.m. on a Wednesday. And here's a pro tip. If you must use delivery, use the pickup option instead. Same apps, same food, 0 delivery fees. You'd be shocked how much money that saves.
Number 3, and this one hurts, financial procrastination fees.
These are the fees you pay for putting things off. And in 2026, they're absolutely brutal. Late payment fees have skyrocketed. Miss your credit card payment by 1 day? That's a $41 late fee on average now. Some cards are charging up to $50. Overdraft fees? Still here. Banks are charging $35 every time you swipe that card when you shouldn't. And here's the thing. 62% of overdraft fees are triggered by transactions under $20. You bought a $4 coffee and just paid $39 for it. Then there's the big one. Interest on credit card debt. The average APR in 2026 is now 24.37%. If you're carrying a $5,000 balance and only making minimum payments, you're paying over $1,200 in interest this year alone. Add in things like parking tickets you forgot to pay, now with late penalties, bills you auto-paid from an empty account, that tax return you filed late, it adds up fast. The average American pays over $250 per month in what I call procrastination penalties. That's $3,000 a year just for being late. Automation is your best friend. Set up autopay for everything that has a due date. Credit cards, utilities, subscriptions, everything. But here's the key. Set the autopay date for 3 days before it's due, not on the due date.
This gives you a buffer if something goes wrong. And set up low balance alerts on your checking account. Most banks let you get a text when your balance drops below a certain amount. Set it at $200. That warning can save you a $35 overdraft fee.
And finally, number 4, the upgrade trap. This is the most invisible expense of all because it disguises itself as improvement. Your phone is 2 years old. It works fine. But that iPhone 17 just dropped with a slightly better camera and a new color. Next thing you know, you're in a $50 per month payment plan for the next 24 months. Your car is paid off. Runs great. But that new model has heated seats and a cooler infotainment system. Now you've got a $600 per month payment for the next 6 years. Here's what's happening in 2026. Companies have figured out that people don't want to pay $1,200 upfront for a phone. But $50 a month? That feels manageable. So everything is a monthly payment now. Phones, laptops, furniture, appliances, even mattresses. They call it flexibility. It's really just expensive debt with a prettier name. The average American now has $847 per month in these upgrade payments. That's over $10,000 a year on stuff they didn't need to replace. And because it's spread across 10 different monthly payments, it never feels like a lot, but it is. Here's the rule. If it works, don't replace it. I know that sounds obvious, but we've been programmed to upgrade constantly. Your 2-year-old phone? Still fine. Your 5-year-old laptop? If it runs, keep it. When something actually does need replacing, save up and pay cash. Or at minimum, use 0% financing and pay it off before the promo period ends. Stop letting companies rent you your own life.
So there you have it. 4 invisible expenses draining your paycheck in 2026. 1. Subscription creep, $274 per month. 2. The convenience tax, $200 per month. 3. Financial procrastination fees, $250 per month. 4. The upgrade trap, $847 per month. That's $1,571 per month, almost $19,000 per year. Just gone. But now you know, and that means you can fix it.